Look at this mess I just made. Not my brother, but me. I was looking for a charger and it went bad. So right now we're about to go to the beach. Beach. Going to the beach. Going to the beach. And I am gonna be vlogging at that place. Face cam or either front where. Yeah. I might go to the arcade. I'll see. I'll pick up the vlog when I get there. We're here at the beach. Beach. Going to the beach. People think I'm weird for recording. ¿Quién se para hacer ver? Kimberly, say hi to the vlog. Going to the beach. Going to the beach. This place is very beautiful. Let's see. Where are we? We are right here. And we're gonna go
Right
to the
now,
fish, the bait.
we're right here.
So right now we're gonna go this way and to the fishing pier and to the pier where the food is. So we can eat some salad. Yeah, bye. Pick up the vlog when I get there.
Go this way. More. Go that way. Go more to your side.
That's okay. Cheers. One more game? Okay guys, next video I'm gonna try to make a song. And I hope you like this. If you don't subscribe, these people will get you.